Hello people, we have a mass m with an initial velocity of u being pushed by a constant force F. So the mass is going to move some distance delta s, and at the end of it, it will be moving at a velocity of v. Since this is a constant force F, the mass must be undergoing uniform acceleration, which means we can use the equations of motion. So this is the Vs equation. Let's rearrange the equation. And then something tells me that I should multiply both sides with half m. Multiply both sides with half m. Look at m times a. What's m times a? Isn't it just that constant force F? So we have this equation here. Let's stare at it and wait for inspiration to strike. Got it? So half mv squared, what does it look like? It looks like the final Ke of the mass. And half mu squared looks like the initial Ke of the mass. So now F times delta S looks like a very distinguished quantity which deserves a name, right? So what name should we give it? It's called work. So let me write this thing in this line here. So we have created a new concept here. So if a force F is applied on a mass m over a distance of delta s, then the force F is doing work on the mass. The amount of work done is given by F times delta s. And where does this work go into? It goes into increasing the Ke of the mass. And that's called the work energy theorem. Got it? Ta-ta!